OptimaFI provides a fully automated portfolio credit stress testing tool that integrates with your capital plan in just a few clicks. The regulators expect you to assess your bank's exposure to loan losses from major economic shifts and to estimate their impact on earnings and regulatory capital. Our tool gives your bank reliable, examiner-ready analysis without having to invest a ton of time, expertise, or expense. So as you can see on the screen here, the tool is pretty much ready to go right out of the box. Immediately actionable, meaning that default inputs are already preloaded into the system by our industry-leading credit experts. It's a scenario-based analysis, which is simple, yet intuitively allows for customizations and provides instantaneous feedback and output recalculation, finally feeding seamlessly into the capital and strategic planning processes. Now, we run 3 completely separate and independent tests as part of our credit stress test. The first test, the peer group loss experience, where we're aggregating your peers' historical losses across both healthy and adverse economic environments and applying those stressed historical loss rates to your current loan portfolio going forward. So we can answer the basic question, if your portfolio, the way it's currently structured, were to perform over the next couple of years the way your peers did under varying degrees of historical stress, what would be the pro forma impact on your P&L and your capital? And the second test, that's where we're using your own historical data as our guide to explore what would the next couple of years look like if you were to see losses as bad as you have ever had. Now, if I head to the inputs here, you can see that we start by allowing you to customize your financial projections right here over a 2-year period. But again, default inputs are already preloaded into the system. Next, the tool also allows you to customize look-back periods in both healthy and adverse historical scenarios, allows you to choose an intelligent peer group, whether it's a standard UBPR peer group, all the way to a hyper-local customized peer group, and allows you to determine exactly how punitive you want the scenarios to become. Now, once we head back here to the outputs, again, change any assumption. The entire tool recalculates on the fly, giving you instantaneous feedback and making the whole process a lot quicker and more efficient. Now, with the outputs, we start with a summary of all the most critical metrics right on one piece of paper, showing you the reprojected losses under all 3 scenarios side by side, reprojected pro forma earnings, and finally reprojected regulatory capital in all 3 scenarios. You can also zoom in on the detail of each of those steps and see how we do each of the calculations and projections, earnings impact, and capital impact. And this is just a highlight reel. We can discuss your specific needs in a one-on-one. Just go to optimafi.com and request your demo.